Is your furry best friend constantly scratching, leaving you feeling helpless? Dry, flaky skin can make your dog miserable and lead to more serious issues. But before you rush to the vet, try these 5 amazing home remedies that veterinarians recommend. Using simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can soothe your dog's irritated skin and restore their coat to its former glory. Stay tuned to learn how to bring relief to your canine companion naturally and effectively. Main points. 1. Soothing oatmeal bath. Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast, it's a powerful skin soother for your furry friend. 1. Ingredients: 1 cup of plain, unflavored oatmeal, or colloidal oatmeal if available. 2. Preparation: grind the oatmeal into a fine powder using a food processor or blender. 2. This increases its ability to mix with water and coat your dog's skin. 3. Application: fill your bathtub with warm, not hot, water. 3. Sprinkle the oatmeal powder into the water, stirring to distribute evenly. 3. Place your dog in the bath and gently pour the oatmeal mixture over their body, focusing on dry or irritated areas. 3. Massage it into their skin for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Benefits: oatmeal contains Home Remedies and phenols, which have anti-inflammatory properties. 4. It also helps to lock in moisture, forming a protective barrier on the skin. 5. Frequency: you can use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week until you see improvement. Remember to rinse your dog thoroughly after the bath to remove any oatmeal residue, and dry them gently with a soft towel. 1. Nourishing coconut oil. Massage coconut oil is nature's moisturizer, packed with beneficial fatty acids for your dog's skin and coat. 1. Ingredients: 2 to 3 tablespoons of organic, unrefined coconut oil. 2. Preparation: gently warm the coconut oil by placing the container in a bowl of warm water. 2. This makes it easier to apply, especially if it's solidified. 3. Application: once the oil is in a liquid state, pour a small amount into your hands. 3. Gently massage the oil into your dog's skin, paying extra attention to dry patches, elbows, and other problem areas. 3. Don't forget to massage some into their paw pads. 4. Benefits: coconut oil is rich in medium-chain fatty acids, particularly lauric acid, which has strong antimicrobial properties. 4. It moisturizes the skin, reduces inflammation, and can even help with minor cuts or abrasions. 5. Frequency: you can apply coconut oil daily, but start with 2 to 3 times a week to see how your dog's skin responds. Pro tip: to prevent your dog from immediately licking off the oil, try applying it before a walk or playtime to distract them while it absorbs. 1. Balancing apple cider vinegar spray. Apple cider vinegar is a natural pH balancer that can work wonders for your dog's skin and coat. 1. Ingredients: 1 part raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, 1 part water. 2. Preparation: mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle. 2. Shake well before each use. 3. Application: spray the mixture onto your dog's coat, avoiding their eyes, ears, and any open wounds or particularly raw areas. 3. Massage it gently into their skin. 3. There's no need to rinse it off. 4. Benefits: apple cider vinegar helps balance the pH of your dog's skin, creating an environment that's unfavorable for yeast and bacteria growth. 4. It also has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties. 5. Frequency: use the spray 2 to 3 times a week. 5. If you notice any irritation, dilute the mixture further or reduce application frequency. Remember, the vinegar smell will dissipate as it dries, leaving your dog's coat shiny and refreshed. 1. Calming chamomile and green tea soak. This soothing herbal remedy combines the calming effects of chamomile with the antioxidant power of green tea. 1. Ingredients: 2 chamomile tea bags, 2 green tea bags, 4 cups of hot water. 2. Preparation: Steep the tea bags in hot water for about 10 minutes. 2. Remove the bags and allow the tea to cool completely. 3. Application. You have 2 options. 1. For spot treatment, apply the cooled tea directly to affected areas using a soft cloth or cotton ball. 2. For full body treatment, add the tea to your dog's bathwater and let them soak for 5 to 10 minutes, pouring the mixture over their body. 4. Benefits. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can soothe irritated skin. 4. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, which can help protect the skin from damage and promote healing. 5. Frequency. You can use this treatment daily for spot applications, or 2 to 3 times a week for bath soaks. This gentle, natural remedy is especially good for dogs with sensitive skin. 1. Healing Vitamin E Oil Treatment. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can work wonders on your dog's dry, irritated skin. 1. Ingredients: Vitamin E oil, either from capsules or liquid form. 2. Preparation. If using capsules, carefully press them to extract the oil. 2. For liquid vitamin E, it's ready to use as is. 3. Application. Apply a small amount of vitamin E oil directly to dry patches on your dog's skin. 3. Gently massage it in, allowing it to absorb. 3. Focus on areas that seem particularly dry or irritated. 4. Benefits. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps protect skin cells from damage. 4. It promotes healing, reduces inflammation, and provides deep moisturization. 4. It can also help reduce scarring if your dog has any healing wounds from excessive scratching. 5. Frequency. Apply vitamin E oil once daily to problem areas. 5. If using it all over your dog's body, 2 to 3 times a week is sufficient. For an extra boost, you can also add a vitamin E supplement to your dog's diet, but always consult with your vet before starting any new supplements.